Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine. This is your class 5th NCERT EVS book looking around, and today we will read the chapter number 8, A Treat for Mosquito. So, are you watching? There are some students and they are talking to each other. You know that a student whose name is Rajat that has come to school after many days. So, all students are talking to him for what he was absent. So let's start the chapter. The topic is blood test. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you now? Asked Aarti. I am all right. Rajat replied softly. Jaskirat, you must have played a lot while you were at home. Rajat, who wants to play when you have fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. I even had a blood test. Jaskirat, a blood test? Why? It must have been very painful. Rajat, actually, when the needle pricked my finger, it felt like an ant bite. They took 2 to 3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria. Nancy, but you got malaria when a mosquito bites you. Rajat, yes, but we find out by the blood test. Jaskirat, there are a lot of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. Nancy, who says that every mosquito bite causes malaria? Malaria is spread only by the disease carrying mosquito. Aarti, all mosquitoes look like the same to me. Rajat, there must be some difference. In this picture, you are watching that the doctor is taking the blood from pricking the needle, and the doctor is taking the blood on the slide, taking the blood on the glass slide for test. Malaria is spread through for test. Malaria is spread through female mosquitoes. That is Anopheles. That is called Anopheles mosquito. And Dr. Mariam, looking at the blood slide under the microscope, this microscope make things look 1,000 times bigger. The details inside the blood can be seen clearly. There are some microscopes which make things look even more bigger than this one. Nancy, did they take the blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you? Rajat, of course not. How do I know when and where the mosquito bit me? Nancy, but how could they find out that you had malaria by your blood test? Do you think they could see something in the blood? So when the doctor saw the blood of Rajat under the microscope, then the doctor finds something different in the blood test, and that was the germs of malaria. Some questions are there. Do you know anyone who has had malaria? So you can answer yes. One of my friends once suffered from malaria. The question number 2, how did they find out that they had malaria? So you can answer it was found by the blood test. Question number 3, what problems did they have on having malaria? So you can answer, my friend suffered from high fever with shivering and she has become very weak. Question number 4, what are the diseases can be caused by mosquito bites? So you can say dengue, chikungunya, filaria, etc. can be caused by mosquito bites. Question number 5, in which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happens? Malaria is more common in rainy season. Mosquito get a suitable environment to breed during rainy season, and hence there are more causes of malaria. Question number 6, what do you do in your house to protect yourself from mosquito? Also find out from your friends about what they do. So you can answer that we use the mosquito repellent that comes in coil, liquids and mats. We use the mosquito repellent cream, we use the mosquito net, we use the wire mesh on window. We can protect ourselves by keeping our surroundings clean. To and that is why we can protect ourselves from mosquitoes. So dear students, do you know which mosquito spread malaria? While all the mosquitoes look like the same, so you can say that there are many type of mosquitoes. They all look alike from a distance, but when we see carefully, we can see all the mosquitoes are different from others. The mosquito who spread malaria is different from others. It has brown body and spotted wings. It is called the female Anopheles mosquito. And do you know, only female Anopheles mosquito spread malaria, so we can recognize it from its brownish body and spotted wings. Students, let's talk about the life cycle of a mosquito. When the mosquito get the dirty water around our homes, they lay eggs in the water. After some time, larva comes out from the eggs and they start to grow. After some time, they change into pupa. As the pupa became the pupa grow under the water, it comes from its shells and became an adult and comes out of water and start fly. Like this, the female Anopheles mosquito completes its life cycle. Like this, the female Anopheles mosquito also completes its life cycle. How does it spread malaria? The female Anopheles mosquito carry the malaria germs from infected person to healthy person. Means when it bites an infected person, it sucks the blood to an infected person, and when it flies and bites to a healthy person, it makes the infected blood to the healthy person, and he also suffers from malaria. So here in this chapter you find out which mosquito causes malaria and what is the life cycle of the mosquito and how does it spread malaria. So we will meet in the second part of the chapter. Good day.